This is DC to AC. So anyone that doesn't know what a power inverter is, what it does, it takes a battery power, which is direct current, and then turns it into alternating current that will run like a TV, a washing machine, a refrigerator. It can run, you know, a little bit of small ovens. It can run fans, lights, a fax machine. I don't know who's running a fax machine in 2024. Refrigerators, laptops, cell phones, and power tools, which I will put that to the test in this video. So this one, it's energy efficient, low heat dissipation, low voltage protection, high voltage protection, overload protection. Basically, that's 3 different types of protection: short circuit, overheating, reverse. So you can't, if you accidentally reverse it, you can see right there how you're going to hook it up. A battery. I do have a battery over here, so I'm going to go ahead and hook up the battery on that. But let's go ahead and take this thing out of the package. So open it up here. Actually, I've not even seen this thing. Wow, look at it. It looks awesome. Looks like a big amplifier. Kind of has a little bit of instructions right here. Green, red light, so power inverts on it. So over here we got just your basic cords. There's your power cords, so that'll hook to the back and that'll hook to your battery. And then the unit itself, very nicely packaged. You can see how they packaged it here. Let's put that aside. So looking over this unit itself, man, that looks really good. Has a fan for keeping it cooled down, negative and positive right there. Has these heat sinks on it. You can see the name on it. I guess that's the name PiSFAU. I don't know how you would say that word, but this is the input DC 12, which I have a 12 volt battery over here. Output is 110 volts, and it looks like it has 3 110 outlets on it, and the output is 110 60 hertz, and there's an on and off switch there. Pretty simple. There's not much to it here. Let's go ahead, take these out of the package, get my battery, put my battery up here, and then let's put this thing to the test. So okay, so there it is. It's hooked up now. You can see how quickly I could hook that up. That went on pretty easy. Turn that on. Well, I see I got green power there. So this little sander, this is one of my little sanders. I use this for testing things a lot. We'll plug this in right here. This thing, I heard the fan kick on already, so the fan's on it. So you'd want to go max power on these things is 300 watt per channel if you're going to be running this, but let's try this out. Well, that worked really well. Listen to that. So it runs a sander pretty easy. This thing right here will spike up to 600 watts, but it only uses, as far as watts, it doesn't, what it does, it spikes when it's under load, and then it drops off. I do like the fact that they did include a ground, so you can plug those things in. Let's see if it does this. Well, that's not faulting it out, and this thing will spike up to 600. This is a really strong drill. So if you were running a job site, let's run them both actually. Wow, I'm running both of these pretty good. You see that? This thing's working great. Cut out right here for where you can screw it down. What I'm gonna do is build me a box in my van. Yeah, I'm gonna be using this amongst my travels. I've got a trip coming up, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and mount this down and get this battery set up and have a inverter in there, because I can run a kettle, I can run tools if I need to, or anything like that. And that thing is whisper quiet, by the way. Very impressive. But yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the PiSFAU, I guess how you would say that, 1500 watt inverter. See y'all in the next video.